Hello singers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence and in today's video, we're going to do a head voice vocal warm-up to help you to sing high notes without tension. Today I'm not going to explain too much the exercises, but don't worry though, I will show you the exercise first and then you just follow along. Go ahead, like this video so you can come back and practice with me this week. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got new videos coming up every week, so subscribe. And leave your comments down below. Let's jump right in. Let's take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Again. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. One more time. Deep breath in. And exhale. Perfect. The first exercise is lip trill. It's a great vocal warm-up exercise to wake up your voice and get your head voice ready to sing. We're going to do a siren. Follow along. Very nice. Slide. Great. You need to control your breath. Great. Back down. Keep going. A few more. You can do this. Last one. Amazing job. Now let's connect your breath to your voice. Let's grab your straw. If you've never tried this exercise before, you can check out the full tutorial here. Let's grab your straw and let's do this. into the next exercise, humming. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Follow along. Let's go. Very nice, you're doing great. One more and then back down. Perfect. Nice work. The next vocal warm-up exercise is going to be on a slide. You can sing you or you can sing ooh, as you wish. Here we go. Follow along. Nice work. Very nice. What we're going to do next is a vocal slide, a siren, but we're going to start in chest voice. The main goal is to connect your chest to your head voice. Remember, your lips are rounded. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's try. Follow along. Very gentle. Slide. Very good. Keep going. Great job. Woo! Okay, a little bit higher. Woo! Okay, one more, and that's it. Woo! Well done, everybody. Yes! Let's do a quick and gentle vocal cool down. You can grab your straw or you can hum, you can do lip trills. It's up to you.